Many foreigners regret buying property in Japan. At first, it looks like a great deal. Prices are low. Japan is safe. The market feels stable. But after buying, things start to change. The biggest problem is this: what looks cheap is not always a good investment. There are hidden costs, and more importantly, exit can be very difficult. First, costs. Many buyers focus only on the purchase price. But ownership in Japan comes with ongoing expenses: maintenance fees, repair reserve funds, property tax, management fees, and sometimes, renovation costs. In some cases, renovation alone can cost over $30,000. So even if the property is cheap, the total cost becomes much higher than expected. Second, and most important, resale. In many countries, property values go up over time. But in Japan, buildings depreciate quickly. This means your property can lose value. Finding a buyer can take time. In some areas, demand is very low. Some owners try to sell for years, and still, they can't find a buyer. This is the biggest reason why many people regret buying. Third, misunderstanding. Many foreign buyers assume cheap means a good deal. Japan means a safe investment. But Japan is different. Population is declining. In many areas, rural demand is weak. Older houses are often avoided. Without understanding this, buyers make the wrong decisions. So, should you avoid buying property in Japan? Not necessarily, but you need to understand this. Price is not everything. What really matters is location, demand, exit strategy. If you ignore these, you may regret your purchase.